All right, welcome back to another trade recap, and I'm going to recap today and Thursday because um I just actually didn't have. Oh, it's lagging. No, it's not. Yeah, I just actually didn't have time to recap Thursday. But Thursday, that's not Thursday. That's Wednesday. Thursday was a loss, and I'm not going to go over the charts because I already deleted everything. But I'll just go over here. I said First off, I want to say I lost today because I was impatient and let FOMO get the best of me when I saw price run without me. Going into the day, I was bullish, and this is what I wrote in my journal. I am bullish because overall, the daily candle just looks ready to expand. I'm going to make sure everything's in. The daily candle looks ready to expand. There's a session SMT with Asia between NQ and ES and with YM, and I have no clue where it's going to go, so we'll see what happens off open. And we dumped right after market open, but I didn't like shorts because I was long bias, and ES had created those like equal triple highs, or those triple equal highs. We then came back up to take them out, and ESMYM took out London before creating an SMT, and at this point I had no clue where market wanted to go, so I should have waited for more confirmation, but the 10 a.m. 15-minute candle created a CRT, and there's displacement on the 1 minute. I entered at 10:20 when price displaced past the EQ level of 9:45 to 10:06 range. Looking back at how bullish ES and YM were, I definitely should have waited for more bearish confirmation on NQ, especially since my bias was bullish on the day. So pretty much I just wanted to win, and I got impatient, and I entered short right here, and I pretty much bottom ticked longs, but I went short. So today, I didn't take a trade. I'm glad it's not lagging anymore. That's far. Today I didn't take a trade, but I still journaled because that's the good thing to do. Going into the day, I wanted to see all-time highs on NQ get hit pretty quickly, then price to dump back down into the weekly range because we have been expanding all week, and this is what I wrote beforehand. My clear draw is just all-time highs on NQ, and I want it to get hit relatively quick. Then it's TGIF, and we are very overextended on the week, so we can maybe expect a dump back into the weekly range. So that's pretty much what happened. Price, little dump, edge a bit, came down. I didn't want to take shorts because we didn't take out the all-time high. Came down, came up. This low-key would have been a good long with the strong drop, like relative equal highs, all-time high right here. We didn't really have a CRT, though, so I didn't really want to take it, so I guess I left some on the table, but who cares? Took out all-time high. Now I was looking for shorts. Slow grind all the way up here. It's like 11:05. This kind of has it. Still no CRT. And after it comes, after we chop, I'm like, yeah, I'm calling it for the day. So that's why I didn't take any trades today. Yeah, market open, started going lower. I didn't want to take shorts until that time I got hit on a Q for it to come up. Looking back on it, longs at 10:17 were pretty clean, but there's no CRT. So I decided to see if it takes the highs and gives me a short setup. Price did not end up taking all-time high on NQ, but price did end up taking all-time high on NQ, but after it's just started slow grinding up, and there was no signs of marking wanted to go lower until 11:02. And by then, there was no CRT or anything, so I didn't take shorts, and the rest of the day was chop, and I called it with no trades. So that puts me at 237 on the week. 1 win, 1 loss. Win was 1 win, 1 loss, 2 break-evens. Win was bigger than the loss, so I'm in profit. My RR could be better because that's like a 1 point. I think it was like 1.67 R. I actually think it was. Hold up, let me look. Get my note. Yep, 1.67. Bang. But yeah, still making up for last week. And I learned that a couple things I did wrong last week. So, I actually want to see the news outlook for next week real quick. Just had PPI week. Could have been better, honestly. Could have been a lot better. Chill Monday. Tuesday should be good. Oh, it's FOMC. Probably no Wednesday, and then yeah, okay. Next week looks chill. But yeah, that's it for today, and I will be back on Monday for some more trading and hopefully some more winning. So I'll be back then.